Today I'm going to be installing Flowmaster's American Thunder direct fit muffler on our 2014 Ram with the 5.7 liter. Flowmaster's muffler is a good option if you're looking to open up the sound of your factory dual exhaust, but you don't want to go with a full aftermarket kit. In terms of sound, I'll be giving it 2 out of 5 on our loudness meter. Unless you're under full acceleration, then I'll be giving it 3 out of 5. Just over $400 is going to be one of the most expensive mufflers currently available for your truck. But with a name like Flowmaster and the quality of the materials used, I believe it's a great value. This is a simple bolt-on that'll fit directly in place of the stock muffler. I'll be giving it 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter and expect it to take about 1 to 2 hours to finish. Our first step is to lubricate the rubber hangers and clamps holding our stock muffler in place. Now we're going to loosen the 2 clamps on the rear of our muffler. We're going to use a 15mm socket. With our clamps loose, you're going to want to support your stock muffler with a jack stand. I'm going to use a rubber mallet to remove the tailpipes from the rear of the muffler. We're going to use our 15mm socket to loosen the clamp in front of the muffler. And I'm going to use the same rubber mallet to remove the muffler. The only thing left holding our muffler on is our rubber hangers. I'm going to use my exhaust hanger removal tool to remove. And then use your jack stand to lower the muffler down. Now that we have the stock muffler off the truck, this is a great opportunity to compare it to our Flowmaster one. It's the same length, so it's going to fit directly into your truck. It's the same material also, so you know it'll have no problem lasting the life of your truck. It's painted black to help with the corrosion resistance. The difference in shape is going to allow for freer flowing gases, which is going to give us that increase in volume under hard acceleration. Let's get it in the truck so you can hear. We can now begin to install our Flowmaster muffler. You're going to want to slide on your 3-inch clamp onto the inlet pipe. You're going to want to slide it into the hangers and then slide the inlet pipe onto the exhaust. With our muffler in place, slide on your 2.5-inch clamps. And then insert the exhaust. With our muffler in place, we're now going to tighten up all of our clamps. This is the time to check for fitment and make sure everything is clear. That wraps up my review and install of Flowmaster's American Thunder direct fit muffler. You can check this out and more at AmericanTrucks.com.